Good day, dear viewers. Today, as an expert in real estate, I will provide you with 6 valuable tips on photographing real estate for successful sales. 3 of them will be basic, and 3 will be unconventional to make your listing stand out. Watch the video until the end to gain an advantage and receive a bonus to accelerate real estate sales. The first basic tip: proper lighting. Open all curtains and doors, use natural light. Bright lighting gives the space freshness, making the photos more appealing to potential buyers. Here's an example of how proper lighting makes the interior more attractive and cozy. The second basic tip: cleanliness and order. Before shooting, make sure the room is clean and tidy. Remove personal items so that buyers can envision themselves in the space. Compare these photos. Cleanliness and order make the space more attractive and suitable for viewing. The third basic tip: the right angle. Choose angles that highlight the advantages of each room. Experiment with different perspectives to make the photos more informative. On this example, you can see how choosing the right angle can change the perception of the space. The first unconventional tip: use warm lighting. Warm tones create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere in the photographs of your property. Unlike cold light that can make images appear lifeless, warm light adds warmth and subdued charm. Remember that potential buyers are often drawn to photos with warm light, creating a sense of homely comfort. Therefore, when illuminating the interior, try to use lamps with a warm color temperature to highlight the advantages of your home and create a favorable first impression. The second unconventional tip: use plants and cozy details. Place plants and soft elements like throws and pillows to create a cozy atmosphere. These details add charm to the photos. Notice how plants and cozy details can transform the space and make it more appealing to potential buyers. The third unconventional tip: shoot horizontally on your phone. If you are using a phone for photography, hold it horizontally. This will maintain the proportions of the room and avoid visual compression of the space. In these examples, it can be seen how horizontal shooting preserves the dimensions of the room and makes it more appealing to the viewer. Bonus tip: if you don't have time to create photos, you can use an AI service, for example, Getfloorplan. You can use a neutral style to showcase the property's potential, or choose one of the styles: Scandi, England, or boho. Within 24 hours, Getfloorplan's AI will generate 2D, 3D, and 360 video. The AI is capable of producing up to 1,000 floor plans per day. The Getfloorplan team is ready to accommodate changes to your floor plan. We can make the following modifications: add, move, or remove furniture. Add or remove walls. Add, move, or remove windows and doors. Resize rooms. If you have specific requests beyond the ones mentioned above, we can collaborate on an individual style that suits your needs. This includes customizing color schemes, textures, and textile elements. Moreover, we can develop an entirely new style featuring different furniture, interior elements, textures, and textiles. Create your first floor plan with a 50% discount. Use promo code START50. This unique promo code is valid only for those who attended the webinar. Seize this opportunity to boost sales by 30% with Getfloorplan's artificial intelligence. Wishing you success in real estate sales. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on company news and new educational videos for real estate sales. Thank you for watching. See you in the upcoming videos.